Bacula Enterprise Edition to the rescue.
Welcome to the Bacula Systems web series. This video will explain the major components of Bacula Enterprise and how they interact. It should serve as a good foundation for understanding the principles of Bacula Enterprise Edition. This image shows the four major components of Bacula Enterprise that we are discussing in this video. Central to everything and at the heart of Bacula is the director. The director initiates backup and restore jobs, is the point of contact for our management tools, manages the catalog database, and is the center for most of Bacula's configuration activities. The director process runs on most major Linux distributions, including Red Hat and its derivatives, as well as Debian and Ubuntu. All configurations are stored as text files so that they can easily be edited directly with a text editor, with the help of our bweb management tool, or with any automation tool that can modify text files. The next major component is the catalog. This is a PostgreSQL or MySQL database which is usually installed alongside the director in small and medium environments, and on dedicated hardware in larger environments. The catalog is a critical component that stores all the metadata for the backup jobs run by this director. This is information like file names, paths and permissions, date backed up, as well as Bacula information such as storage coordinates for all the data stored, and global records for the storage media. Reporting is available from the catalog via our web console and our text console, or by directly accessing the database. The storage daemon is a Linux process that writes the backup data to storage media. It can run alongside the director in smaller environments, and for larger environments, one or more storage daemons will usually have dedicated hardware. The storage daemon can write to tape libraries, to disk via virtually any mounted file system, and directly to the cloud via our cloud plugins. The Bacula Enterprise storage daemon also has a deduplication engine that allows for significant storage savings, as well as reduced bandwidth with the client-side deduplication option. The storage daemon also restores data directly to any file daemon known to the director, even across different operating systems. The file daemon, also known as an agent or client, reads the data that is to be backed up and sends it to the storage daemon directly. Bacula Enterprise supports a wide variety of operating systems, from Linux and Unix to Windows and Mac OS. The file daemon is also where most of our additional backup tools and plugins operate to protect applications and databases. A current list of our available plugins, as well as supported client operating systems, can be found at baculasystems.com. For management, Bacula Enterprise features a web interface known as bweb, which allows control and monitoring of day-to-day backup tasks, reporting, as well as configuration management. There is also a standalone text console known as bconsole for those who prefer a command line interface. bconsole also allows shell scripts to send commands to the director. To put it all together, let's look at what happens when a scheduled backup of an MS SQL database runs. The director's scheduler initiates the backup. It contacts the file daemon and hands over the job information. In this case, the client will be informed to initiate a VSS snapshot of the defined MS SQL databases. When the snapshot is ready, the file daemon streams the data to the storage daemon defined in the job. When the database is backed up, the metadata for the job is sent to the director to be stored in the catalog, and the job is marked as complete. I hope this overview has been helpful in explaining the components of Bacula Enterprise Edition. If you want to learn more or to try Bacula Enterprise yourself, go to our website, baculasystems.com, and click Try for Free. You can also visit our YouTube channel for more videos and links. Thank you.